Tired of your savings account earning you pennies? Like, literally, you check your statement and it's just sad. Well, what if I told you that you could be earning up to 5 or even 6% on your savings? That's not a typo. In 2025, high-yield savings accounts are completely changing the game for savers. Sticking your money in a traditional savings account is like leaving free money on the table, and we definitely don't want to do that. So today, we're going to dive deep into the best high-yield savings accounts for 2025. I'll break down what they are, why they're so much better than your standard account, and most importantly, I'll reveal my top picks so you can start making your money work harder for you. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to choose the perfect account and boost your savings journey. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a high-yield savings account, or HYSA for short? Think of it as a savings account on steroids. It works just like a regular savings account. You deposit money, it's safe. It's insured by the FDIC up to $250,000, but the key difference is the interest rate, or APY. That stands for annual percentage yield. Traditional big-name banks might offer you a measly 0.01% APY. On a $10,000 balance, that's a whole dollar in interest over a year. You can't even buy a coffee with that. But a high-yield savings account could offer you 5% APY or more. On that same $10,000, that's $500 a year. That's a huge difference. That's a weekend trip, a new gadget, or a serious boost to your emergency fund. All just for putting your money in a smarter place. So how are these online banks able to offer such high rates? It's pretty simple actually. Most of the top high-yield savings accounts are offered by online-only banks. Since they don't have the massive overhead costs of physical branches, no rent, no utility bills for hundreds of locations, fewer staff, they can pass those savings on to you in the form of higher interest rates. It's a win-win. You get a much better return and they get your business. Plus, managing your account online or through an app is super convenient. You can check your balance, transfer funds, and watch your money grow anytime, anywhere. It's modern banking for a modern world. Now, before we jump into my top picks, let's talk about what you should look for when choosing an account. The APY is obviously the star of the show, but it's not the only thing that matters. First, check for fees. The best accounts have no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden charges that eat into your earnings. Next, look at the ease of access. How easy is it to move money in and out of the account? Do they have a user-friendly mobile app? Can you easily link your checking account? Some accounts even come with an ATM card for easy withdrawals, though be mindful that savings accounts typically have a limit on the number of withdrawals you can make per month. Finally, consider customer service. Since it's an online bank, you want to know that if you have a problem, you can reach a real person easily through phone, chat, or email. Okay, with that checklist in mind, let's get to the exciting part: the best high-yield savings accounts for 2025. Kicking off our list is an account that has consistently been a top performer. Let's call it Apex Savings. They are currently offering a stellar APY, often hovering around the 5% to 5.5% mark. What I love about Apex is its simplicity. There are no monthly fees and no minimum balance to get that top-tier rate. Their mobile app is incredibly intuitive, making it a breeze to manage your money on the go. Linking your external bank account is quick, and transfers are usually completed within 1 to 2 business days. They also have excellent customer service ratings, which gives you that extra peace of mind. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss account with a fantastic rate, Apex Savings is an absolutely solid choice to start with. It's a favorite for a reason and perfect for both beginners and seasoned savers. Next up, let's talk about Momentum Bank. This is a great option for those who want a bit more from their bank. Momentum is known for its competitive APY, often in the same league as Apex. But they also offer a full suite of banking products. This means you can have your high-yield savings checking account, and maybe even a CD or investment account all under one digital roof. This can make managing your finances incredibly streamlined. Their platform is robust, with tools for budgeting and setting savings goals directly within the app. So if you're thinking of moving more than just your savings to an online bank, Momentum Bank could be the perfect all-in-one solution. They make it easy to see your entire financial picture in one place, which is a huge plus for staying on top of your goals. Our third contender is what I'll call Synergy Direct. This bank often tries to lead the pack with some of the highest APYs on the market. It wouldn't be surprising to see them pushing closer to that 6% mark in 2025, especially when competition heats up. Synergy Direct is a no-frills, high-performance option. They focus on one thing and do it extremely well, offering a top-tier interest rate. If your absolute number one priority is squeezing every last bit of interest out of your cash, this is the account you need to watch. The user interface might be a bit more basic than the others, but it's functional and gets the job done. For the pure rate chasers out there, Synergy Direct is a powerful contender. It's all about maximizing your returns, plain and simple. Now, what if you value brand recognition and a slightly more established name, but still want a great rate? Enter Capital Gain 360, the online arm of a very well-known financial institution. They might not always have the absolute highest APY on the list, but it's always very competitive and comes with the backing of a household name. Their platform is top-notch, polished, and packed with features. You can create multiple savings accounts for different goals, like one for a vacation, one for a house down payment, one for an emergency fund, and nickname them all. This is a fantastic psychological trick to help you stay motivated. They also have a large, fee-free ATM network, which is a nice perk for those who feel a bit more comfortable with a big, established player. Capital Gain 360 offers the perfect blend of a great rate and brand trust. Finally, I want to mention a rising star. Let's call it Innovate Bank. Innovate is known for its tech-forward approach. They not only offer a competitive HYSA rate but also integrate cutting-edge features. Think AI-powered savings suggestions, automatic roundups from your debit card purchases that sweep the spare change into your savings, and detailed spending analysis. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves having the latest and greatest features to help automate your savings, Innovate Bank is definitely one to check out. They are pushing the boundaries of what a savings account can do for you, making it easier and more engaging to save money. It's banking that feels like it was built for the future, because it was. So, to recap, we've got Apex Savings for its simple, high-rate excellence, Momentum Bank for the all-in-one banking solution, Synergy Direct for the pure rate chasers, Capital Gain 360 for that perfect blend of a trusted brand and a great return, and Innovate Bank for the tech-savvy saver. The truth is, you can't go wrong with any of these options. The best one for you really depends on your personal preferences. The most important step is to take action. Don't let your money sit in a low-yield account earning next to nothing. Moving your savings into a high-yield account is one of the easiest financial wins you can get. It takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes to open an account online, and the difference in earnings can be hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Think about what that extra money could do for you. It could accelerate your emergency fund, get you closer to that down payment, fund your next vacation, or simply provide a greater sense of financial security. Whatever your goals are, making your money work for you is a crucial step. I've put links to some of these top accounts and other resources in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Remember to read the terms and conditions for any account you consider. Rates can and do change, so it's always good to confirm the current APY before you sign up. But the era of earning 5% or more on your savings is here, and it's time to take advantage of it. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into the best high-yield savings accounts for 2025. I hope this breakdown was helpful and empowers you to make a smart move with your savings. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more content on how to manage your money, save smarter, and build wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Do you have a favorite high-yield savings account or any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all, and I do my best to respond to every comment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.